Ave Maria, which is known as a big kind of small town. These homes were developed by CC Homes and Maple Ridge. The homes offer luxury and affordable within 5 collections from the mid-300,000s. They also include homes for 55 plus communities. It's located centrally in a town. The homes are near Ave Maria School, which is a university, and the brand new residents-only clubhouse. The clubhouse features a fitness center, a billboard room, a concierge, a game room, and an art center. The best part about this town is that they have their own little shopping center with restaurants, coffee shops, and even little boutiques. They also have their own gas station, a Publix, and a fire station, so you don't really need to leave the town. The only thing that I would say is that it's not a gated community, so anyone is welcome to drive in. So many different model homes, there's so many to choose from. Building in the beautiful Maple Ridge neighborhood of Ave Maria, Naples, Florida, CC Homes is the new home builder everyone in South Florida is talking about, and for a good reason. They offer 1 or 2-story single homes and a distinctive home design with ample indoor and outdoor space, all at an incredibly low price. Each home features open concept kitchens, high ceilings, large windows, optional pools, and concrete block construction throughout are some of the home highlights. If you're interested in scheduling a VIP tour, you can contact me and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Even though homes are still being built, there are homes available for sale and also different models still available and ready to purchase and move in right away. If you have any questions, you can contact me. I'm Takia Coleman, your South Florida realtor, and I would love to work with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Have a good one. As we walk into this beautiful 2-story home, this one can range between 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to 5.5 baths. The ground floor has an owner's suite with a walk-in closet, great room, a dining room, a den, loft, and it can range between 2 or 3 car garages, which is 65 feet wide.